Your AC high pressure switch protects your cooling system from high pressure. It works as a safety control that can shut down the system to prevent damage. A working high pressure switch helps protect your compressor and prevent expensive damage. It also assists in detecting pressure-related problems and ensuring reliable cooling. When this switch trips, it may indicate various AC issues. Ignoring high-pressure issues can lead to compressor failure and costly repairs. Regular maintenance keeps your AC clean and working properly. Don't ignore safety components, they protect your entire AC system.